Cinemalaya filmmakers. The Cinemalaya family is an important reminder that we need to continue to create beyond the mainstream and work towards the lakas, loob, lalim that Filipino independent films stand for. Tonight's Best Film and Best Director awards are extra special. Not only will it represent the kind of filmmaking that is valuable 20 years since Cinemalaya started, it will also remind us about the kind of filmmaking we can continue to look forward to for the next 20 years.
To announce the award for Best Director for the short film, please welcome on stage 2023 Best Director for the short film, Mr. Mike Cabarles. Presenting the award are Cinemalaya Chairperson for Competition and Monitoring, Mr. Carlitos Siganreina, and Sony Philippines Deputy Marketing Director, Mr. Kentaro Imamura. The winner of the Best Director for the short film will receive a Sony FX6 camera worth 362,000 pesos and a Balanghay trophy.
For effectively orchestrating the resources of cinema in its depiction of a hard-up and lonely unpaid worker and her dashed hopes for romance. The award for Best Direction is given to Sam Manaksa. For Cross My Heart and Hope to Die.
As a film worker po, wala po si Sam ngayon kasi nagtatrabaho po siya. Pero for sure, pasasalamatan niyo lahat from Cinemalaya, sa buong cast and crew ng Cross My Heart and Hope to Die. And sa lahat ng mga taong naniwala sa film, maraming salamat po. And this is for everyone.
Cinemalaya Best Director, Mr. Ryan Machado, and 2005 Cinemalaya Best Director, Ms. Rica Arevalo. Presenting the award are Carlitos Siganreina and Kentaro Imamura. The winner of the Best Director for the full-length film will receive a Sony FX6 camera worth 362,000 pesos from Sony Philippines and a Balanghay trophy.
For his utter craftsmanship and expert summoning of the resources of the cinema to tell a poignant story of personal loss and family grief amid the trauma of disaster, for his powerful exploration of themes of diaspora, self-discovery, and sisterhood, and for his humanist vision that inspires renewal and renewal.
The award for Best Director goes to Jaime Pacena.
Thank you very much, Cinemalaya. Pangarap ko to, it's been a dream. I'm 44 years old. This is my first film, and it's not... I'm really very thankful for the whole Cinemalaya team, for holding us and for giving us a platform, even if it's very personal. Maraming salamat to the Project 8 Projects team, Direk Dan Villegas, who have mentored me since day one. Maraming salamat to Brian for giving me and us the opportunity to make this film. Kung wala kayong lahat, the whole team, kung hindi nyo ako ginabayan at hindi nyo ako sinuportahan, I wouldn't be able to tell this story. To the two lead actresses who have helped me and who have given me a chance to do this film with the both of you. You are both heaven sent. Domori Gato Gozaimasu, Arisa-san and Gabi. To my parents, to my mother, who I'm pretty sure sobrang proud niya ngayon. At yung tatay ko, kung nasan ka man pa, I'm here standing in front of all of these people, amazing people, with this award. To my son, Sunday, I hope balang araw you'll be able to find the film. Hopefully when you are in that particular position or situation, that you will find this particular film speaking to you. This is for you. And to Jai, thank you very much for standing beside me all throughout this journey. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
NETPAC awardee, Director Carl Joseph Papa, and curator of Cinemalaya 2021's docu-section, screenwriter and scholar, Dr. Clodoaldo Del Mundo. Presenting the award are Cinemalaya Jeweler, Dr. Nicanor Chongson, CCP President Ms. May Tinga, Cinemalaya President Ms. Luis Galian, Cinemalaya Foundation Chairperson Mr. Antonio Coangco. They will be joined by Ms. Manette Dairit, Managing Director of Central Digital Lab. The winner of this award will receive 350,000 pesos from the Cinemalaya Foundation, one post-production package from Central Digital Lab, and a Balanghay Trophy.
Cinemalaya.
Companion here will read the description of the division of labor.
For its heartbreaking portrait of overworked and underpaid women workers, and its subtle but more than critique of their abuse and exploitation.
The award for best short film goes to Cross My Heart and Hope to Die by Sam Manasseh.
Ginawa po namin yung Cross My Heart kasi bilang kasali sa mga manggagawang Pilipino at bilang isang film worker, pagod na po kami kasi maraming mga sistema na hindi nagpumagana for us. So ito po ay para sa lahat ng mga manggagawa. Sana sa mga susunod na mga pelikula na magawa namin, mas maganda, mas masaya at mas maayos na yung buhay ng lahat ng mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Again, to announce the award for Best Full-Length Film, we would like to welcome to the stage 2023 NETPAC awardee, Director Carl Joseph, President Ms. May Tinga, Cinemalaya President Ms. Luis Galian, Cinemalaya Foundation Chairperson Mr. Antonio Coangco, to be joined by Ms. Manette Dairit, Managing Director of Central Digital Lab. The winner of the award will receive 350,000 pesos from the Cinemalaya Foundation, one post-production package from Central Digital Lab, and a Balanghay Trophy.
Cinemalaya Citation, full-length feature film, best film. For its focus on a marginalized sector on Philippine society, for its nearly epic sweep of the life and landscape of a people disempowered by the wealthy and the powerful and victimized by government neglect and corruption. For its highly convincing characters and effective ensemble acting by a cast of non-professional actors. To their ancestral domain.
Kailangan ko bang i-announce ang title? The award for best film goes to Tumando.
sa aming producers and executive producers na andito ngayon na and Terminal 6 po, Sir Chad, and yung ibang producers namin from Terminal 6 and ang buong cast and crew po na inilaban talagang matapos yung pelikulang to. Sina Ate Babs, Kuya Miko, Sir Jo, yung mga unang taong sumama sa amin dun sa community at tinapangan talaga sa kabila ng na-experience namin. Sina Ate Bel, si Gab, si CJ, si Naika, si NN. At ang favorite naming masamang tao, si Direk Arden.
At gusto lang po namin magpasalamat, of course, sa jury at sa Cinemalaya, kay Miss Mel, sa Rodel, at Miss Vicky. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Cinemalaya at FDCP, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. Una sa lahat sa Panginoon. Kina Direk Arlene Sweet Sumagaysay at Richard Jeron Salbudico na unang tumulong at naging paraan para makapunta kami dito. At sa mga
So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng Tumando cast and crew, sa aming mga directors, sa mga juries po, at sa lahat ng nandito ngayon. Sana po patuloy niyo pong sumuportahan yung Tumandok tsaka yung aming community. Maraming salamat po. God bless.
Congratulations to all the winners! And that concludes our Cinemalaya 20 Awards night. Maraming